dry and acts as excellent camouflage for a successful young predator. In the last hours of dark, this young male lion took down a buffalo calf. An impressive feat for a 2-year-old. And unusual too. Lions generally hunt as a well-organized team. He was forced to leave his pride and search for a territory of his own. Now he's proved he has what it takes to survive. But his success wasn't entirely due to skill. The winter drought has left the buffalo weak and susceptible to predation, making them easier targets. While his future is secure for now, not far off, his mother is facing more of a struggle. She's raising a new litter of cubs. At 6 weeks old, they have just left the safety of their den and are totally reliant on her rich milk for sustenance. Feeding 4 hungry cubs is taxing on her energy reserves. But if she wants to eat, she's going to have to leave them to hunt for herself. Because, unlike most lionesses who can rely on their pride to bring them food while they're nursing, she's a single mother and has no such help. Her pride split up recently. The young adult male lions from her last litter were forced by their father to move off and find territories of their own. The big male then departed to patrol his range, which is roughly 100 square kilometers of prime hunting ground. It will take him several days or longer to make the round trip. Without him around, his adult daughter has struck out on her own. Leaving the lioness to fend for herself and her vulnerable cubs. She's still producing milk for now and keeps her cubs within the safety of dense bush thickets. But she'll have to eat soon, and to do that, she'll have to leave her babies alone. Further north, a more successful family of big cats is on the move. These 2 cheetah brothers have formed a powerful alliance. One of them is wearing a radio collar, which allows scientists to study their movements, giving an intimate look into the secret lives of these elusive animals. The brothers grew up as littermates and have stayed together after leaving their mother. Their coalition allows them to control a territory of around 60 square kilometers. It includes excellent hunting grounds and a permanent water source, which is important because although cheetahs can go for up to 4 days without water, when it's hot they need to drink more often. Working as a team, they have the advantage of being able to bring down bigger prey and can successfully defend their territory from solitary males. Everything about cheetahs is designed for speed. With their long limbs, sleek build and streamlined head, they can reach around 112 kilometers per hour at full sprint, but cannot maintain that speed for long, as it takes great effort. In return for speed, cheetahs have sacrificed power. So the white rhino cow and her calf have nothing to worry about. Which wouldn't be the case if a pride of lions were nearby. The cheetah's territory offers the cover of trees and bushes, perfect for stalking prey. And they spot something. Waterbuck. But they must get within 50 meters before launching their attack. Together, the brothers pull down the powerful antelope, and one secures a vice-like grip on the victim's windpipe. But the struggle isn't over. The waterbuck puts up a brave fight, and it takes the combined efforts of both brothers to keep it down. The cheetah start feeding quickly out of necessity. With appetites sated, they can relax as the sun sets, secure in their coalition, for now at least. While two big cats settle down for the night with full bellies, the next morning another wakes up hungry. At 12 years old, this leopard knows how to look after herself. She's been living in the savannas and woodlands of the Kruger all her life. Solitary by nature, she shares her territory with her sub-adult female cub, who has recently become independent. Leopards are normally active at night, but the older leopard hasn't eaten in days and is on the lookout for breakfast from her favorite vantage point.